All right, guys, another 1970 Chevrolet Nova, black, 350 car automatic with this gorgeous mirror-like paint job that's been done about 5 years ago. It's got some minor imperfections, which I'll go over, but you know what? From 10 feet away, this thing looks like a piece of glass. Actually, from 5 feet away, it looks like a piece of glass. From 3 feet away, it looks like a piece of glass. This is a gorgeous car. I got this thing in from Kentucky, so it's a southern car, and it has no rust that I can see throughout the vehicle. By looking at the body lines of the car, which I'll go over with you as far as the quarters and the sheet metal on the car, beautiful torque thrust wheels that give this car, it just sets it off with these Cooper Tire radial GAs. Nice trim going down the side of the car. Look at that mirror finish, okay? But I'll get to the depth of the paint a little bit. I just want to do a walk around. Nice chrome bumper. The bezels in the rear tail lights and the emblem look original to the car. Trim looks really nice on this side. The door handles, Novas with the vent windows are super cool. When you pop those open, it does bring in a nice cool air inside the car. But this is a factory air conditioned car as well. Yes, nice grille, awesome setup on the car. Just look at the stance one more time. Black 70 Nova. I mean, really? Come on. It's got power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. So check it out. We're gonna get a little bit deeper and look at the paint a little closer. Obviously, it's a mirror finish, okay? Excellent on the fender, the driver's side fender, the bottom door on it. It's got a little blemish here, okay, on the very bottom. Very hard to see, but I am gonna point it out to you. Door looks great. The driver's side rear quarter, which is original to the car, and I'll prove that to you guys in a little bit here. Look at that finish. Look at that reflection. Woo-hoo. Super nice on the chrome in the back. Real nice. This side is nice and okay. Really nice on the bottom here. Just a little mark there, if you can see that. Okay. Passenger door, should I say, looks excellent. And the fender. Okay, that's the depth of the paint. So the paint on the car is super nice. Let's check out the interior really quick. Doors open and close as it should. Gaps look pretty good. Door lips look good. So the Super Sports came with this grain finish on them. Really hard to tell in 1970, or really any year Nova in the second gen. Door jambs are nice. Excellent bench seat with the seat belts. Same with the back seat. Nice tight package tray, 6x9s. Tight headliner, dome light works. Sun visors, your rear view mirror, weather stripping looks good. Dash pad looks excellent. 3-spoke aluminum steering wheel. Check out the cluster. Look how clean and crisp the cluster is on this car. Okay, original, believed to have 47,653 miles. Here's your light switch for your headlights. Obviously your wipers and your horns right there. You got your controllers and a cassette deck Pioneer radio. All right, really nice on the inside. Let's check out the trunk. All right. Trunk is rock solid on the car. Everywhere sounds very solid. So as far as the quarter panels on the car, here's your factory GM stamping numbers. This right here tells you that this quarter is original to the car because the replacement quarters don't have those stampings. And putting my hand up in here and all the way down, I don't feel any other patches or any patches on that quarter. So that tells me that this is an original quarter. Weather stripping is like new. Then when I go over to the passenger side, again, factory numbers. And same thing when I get my hand up in here and then down there, it's all solid one sheet metal, which tells me this is an original sheet metal car. Guys, gals, this is hard to find, okay? Look at other Novas. Please compare an apple to an apple. A lot of other people won't even tell you that. Well, you know what? I'm telling you, I'm nitpicking my own car, and I'm going to tell you what is good, what is bad. Obviously, you've seen some of the things that I picked out already, which is really, if you think about it, one blemish on the driver's side fender, and then another blemish. If you can see it, you can see it. I'm going to point at it, okay, and then zoom in. There's a little blemish right there on the paint. Very small. Honestly, from 2 feet away, 3 feet away, you cannot even see it. So again, I'm going to point out these things, tell you about the car. So there are no surprises. Open and boom, nice and easy on the passenger door as well. Nice door lips, as you can see. And again, a beautiful door panel, just like the driver's side, body by Fisher, nice door jambs. And again, the back seat and the passenger side view with a very clean dash pad and very respectful interior. Okay. Bam. All right. So moving forward, here is a little ding that you can, I'm gonna try and right there. Okay. Don't know how it happened, but it's there, okay, as you can see right there, okay. Again, it's got to be 100% transparency, and that's why I sell a lot of muscle cars to a lot of guys and gals. They know what they're getting, okay. So in the back here, if I haven't showed you, this is where you guys can put the fuel for your car. Some guys don't know, okay, but it's right under that plate right there. Unscrew it and get your fuel in the car. Going back to the engine compartment to open up the hood, right under this Chevy emblem, you just lift it up and lift up the hood with one hand. So the breather is on order, okay, I got that coming in. So as you can see, small block 350, you got power steering, right there, okay. You got power disc brakes right there. Here's your air conditioning, your alternator, your battery, all the correct hoses, your manifolds, and you're continuing with the air conditioning. Wires plugs have been replaced, and everything on the car looks great. Okay, now what I'm going to do is fire up the car, so that way you guys can hear the exhaust, and then we'll listen to the motor. All right. So, square key, that's the one for the ignition, and the round key is for your trunk. Right in here, one pump. Nice and easy. Let's listen to the exhaust. Sounds pretty good. Very reliable Nova. Doesn't that sound good? Listen to the motor. Guys, you see that reflection? why you buy from MGM Classic Cars. So now, let's get into the car here and talk about a couple things, okay, that I want to tell you guys. Light switch right there. Wipers, when you turn them on, the wipers work. Yes, they do. Now, horn. Horn works, okay? Left turn signal. Not working on the inside part of the car. Right turn signal. Not working on the inside part of the car. All right, you can actually feel right down here where it's blowing for the heat. But when you switch it for the defrost, I don't feel anything coming up. So that's gonna have to be checked out. And the radio is a Pioneer tape deck, okay, but it does not turn on, okay? And that's something that you can replace yourself. So I'll mount the camera, we'll go for a ride. So it is blowing through the vents now. You just got to give it a couple seconds. And I do feel it being cool and warm as well. Okay, so we'll shut that off. It doesn't work excellent, but it works okay. So please be aware of those things. Power steering is great. It makes this car turn really simple, really easy. Speedo works as well. It shifts pretty good too. Drives nice and smooth. Steering is nice and tight. It's awesome on the car. Pop a U-turn. There's so much traffic. Up everywhere you go with this black little Nova. Great car to cruise, very reliable, great for car shows, cruise nights. A lot of police out today. There's one on the corner. Shifts really good through the Turbo 350 trans as well. Need delivery, call me, text me with your zip code or email it to me and I'll get you a quote. If you need financing, you need a credit score of at least 650, from 650 to 700, I can get you approved with about 10% down with good income, you know, length on the job for about 2 years. And then all you guys over 700 into the 800s, it's an easy 15-minute quick approval. We've got a couple different lenders that I work with. Please check availability before we throw out your social security number to lenders. Let's make sure this thing's still in stock. If you're confident on your credit, call me, place a deposit. If you're ready to buy, call me, place a deposit through my PayPal, and let's get the deal done. So I'm going to park back at the warehouse here, and I'm going to walk around the car one more time. My neighbor there. Backing up his tow truck. All right. So to see other photos and videos and stuff like that, go to mgmclassiccars.com. Okay, we're going to do a quick recap here. 1970 Chevrolet Nova, 350 trans, 10-bolt rear end, power steering, power disc brakes, cold air conditioning, beautiful chrome around, nice trim, nice bezels, stainless steel around all the glass is good, vent window car obviously, front power disc, and a beautiful paint job, ready to go to the new owner. Call me, text me at 847-848-1850, and please visit mgmclassiccars.com.